Hi there, what's up? Our board to scrap data from Budgetgaming.nl is now ready. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use this board to scrap data from this website and export it into Excel. When you get this zip file, after extracting, go in the folder and open this exe file. Okay, this is the interface of our board. So here is the EN number list that you will have to put here before starting. So I have collected some ENs just to show you, and I am pasting here. Once you paste all the EN numbers, you will just need to click start button. I have disabled the images option on this website so that our bot can work fast. Let me explain how is it working. It is searching one EN number, and when it gets results, it open the first one and scrap these results and all these competitors with their prices. Okay, and you can also count from here to see how many rows have been scrapped. And here's the bot is showing scrapping 2 out of 11. It means there are 11 ENs that we have given to it. I am making the video 5x faster so that to save the time and you can see the results. Okay, all the results have been scrapped. It is showing message, and this is our scrap data. So now export it. Click export button, and if you don't want to change your path, then the bot will save all the exported files in this directory. And here you can choose your output format, and if you check this box, it will open the file after exporting. So this is the file. We can further edit this file for better appearance. Let me show how. Okay, our file is ready for use, and it is saved in this folder by the current exporting time. Okay, this is our bot. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask. I will put the contact info, so I will be very happy to assist you then. Thank you very much.